QCT works with Techman Robot to jointly deliver a complete end-to-end physical AI development package, supporting everything from data collection to real-world robotic application deployment. QCT offers its Dev Kit for physical AI, which integrates NVIDIA Cosmos, NVIDIA Isaac GR00T, and NVIDIA Omniverse into one unified workflow. We integrate NVIDIA Cosmos Transfer to generate physical datasets across various environments. Large-scale data can be easily generated by uploading videos and entering prompts. We also leverage NVIDIA Isaac GR00T Dreams to expand dataset diversity, generating different actions and motion behaviors. With these datasets, users can manage a full skill lifecycle, from creation, training optimization, and evaluation to deployment. QCT Dev Kit for Physical AI, a single high-performance workflow for seamless data generation and training.